everyone? No, man. Are we having a good evening? Okay, so good evening, everyone. Okay, now I don't know about y'all, but I'm happy to be in the house of Lord. Amen? Yesterday was so good that I had to come back tonight, right? Amen. Okay, so I'm Shaquina Danvers, and with me tonight are my co-hosts,
Judy, Destiny,
and Kashina.
All right. So, the pleasure is mine to welcome each and every one of you to the first night of our youth explosion under the theme, The Struggle is Real, but so is God.
and we cannot forget our online viewers watching online. Welcome and do be blessed.
Amen. But before we continue, let us have a word of prayer. Let us pray. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for carrying us throughout the day thus far. And as we're about to go through this program, I ask that you prepare our hearts and our minds to receive a blessing tonight. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
So tonight, my co-host and I have some special tokens to give to our youths here tonight. And remember now, youths are 13 to 35. So the first question is, which youth brought 2 or more friends with them here tonight? Please show by raise of hand. Which youth brought 2 or more visiting friends with them here tonight? Please show by raise of hand. One.
I brought my friend.
They're visiting for things.
So our next question of the night is, does anyone know the Savannah Youth Instagram handle? Please indicate by a raise of hand. Does anyone know? Oh. What is it?
I'm going No, it's not.
Oh my.
What does that mean though? What does that
The name of the Instagram page.
Savannah
One person.
Yes. What is it?
SDAYouth.sav.
Congratulations, you won $5 credit. Also, you will come around to collect the $4 so you can get your prize.
Alright, the third question is there any visiting youth traveling from West Bay? We have someone upstairs. Congratulations, you won a book. The ushers will bring it to you.